Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy Dinner. First, let's simplify your dinner routine by planning meals weekly. This helps you save precious time and significantly reduces stress during busy evenings. Make sure your pantry is stocked with versatile staples like pasta, canned tomatoes, and beans. These ingredients are perfect for quick meal assembly. Also, select ingredients that can be used in several different easy dishes throughout the week, maximizing your efficiency. Next, master some quick preparation techniques to speed things up. Try chopping your vegetables in advance, perhaps on a Sunday, so they are ready to go when you need them for faster cooking. You can also batch cook grains such as rice or quinoa, providing a base for multiple meals throughout the week. Don't forget to utilize pre-marinated proteins. They are a fantastic shortcut that saves you significant preparation time. Now, let's embrace the magic of one-pan cooking. Sheet pan dinners are a game changer, minimizing both cleanup and the number of cooking steps involved. For a comforting meal, one-pot pasta dishes deliver delicious results with surprisingly little effort. And for those truly busy days, slow cooker recipes are your best friend, providing hands-off meal preparation that allows you to come home to a ready-made dinner. Finally, smart shopping is key to easy dinners. Always shop for ingredients with a clear meal plan in mind to avoid impulse buys and ensure you have everything you need. Don't hesitate to explore frozen vegetables. They offer great convenience and nutrition without the extra prep. Remember to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.